Namaste. Welcome to shylaji.com. I'm Shaila Vasunath and today I'll be doing a different video again. Hope you had watched my live streaming or the workshop on Hindi, the basics, what are the difficulties they would be facing, the children, why do they don't like Hindi and all such things I had done. So if you find time, please watch it. Now I'm going to do a topic on again letters only. Earlier I had done this particular topic confusing, but it was about words which would be confusing. But here I'm going to do about the letters which would confuse children, adults, anyone, that is beginners, whoever are learning. They might find these kind of words which look similar and a little confusing. So I thought I will focus on that as I'm doing my letters for you. So I thought these things also in between I could do it. So let us go into the video. Now I've written here few words which look similar and it would be confusing for you. So let us start with the first one. The pronunciation part, I will tell you the difference between all these. Now if you see here, this is D, okay, D. It is in the third row, T varg, T, okay, you don't know that, right? T, D, D, Na. Now this is that letter, D, Damru. Okay, so Damru, Dafli. So these words all come for D. And one more thing, when this D comes at the beginning of the word, it will not have a dot below. I had done when I did these letters, but again I'm telling you here, where this letter will always come at the beginning of the word, but this will come anywhere after the beginning. Okay, so this is D and there is slight variation in these two sounds. This is D and this is Adha, okay, Adha, Adha. Why? Because when you say the word paid, you're saying, right? Paid, you're saying paid. Can you get that in between sound? Paid. Then when the D is coming, also is joining with it. So that's why that is the sound here, paid. Okay, that is Adha. And this is the letter which is in the first row, K, K, G, G, and this is Nga, Nga. This is the nasal sound letter which will not be used in any word, but it would be replaced as a dot. And the words which are used with this as a dot are mostly Sanskrit words. Okay, so again you be careful. The dot, if it is down, it comes after the first letter in any word. Okay, after the first letter in any word, this will come. This will come always at the beginning of the letter because it doesn't have a dot. This will come after, and this will come as a dot in a substitute, and this is in the first row. So remember, the side dot is the first row, last letter nasal sound, and this one is at the bottom dot, and that comes in the T varg. Okay, T. The next one, see here again they look similar. This is G, G. G means ghar. Okay, G, ghar. This is Dha, Dha. It is used in the fourth row, Ta, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. So this is the fourth letter of the fourth row, Dha, Dharti, Dhan. So there you use this one, Dha, Dhanalakshmi, right? So this one, and remember this has a curve and this won't have a curve. So when you are writing, if you put full line without a curve, it is Gha. When you curve over here and you don't touch it and put the sleeping line separately, then it is Dha. Okay, and the next one is Cha, where the ring will come here, not here, nor here. So this is Cha, which comes in the second row, second letter. Okay, Cha, Cha. And this word like Chhatri, Chat. So I'm giving you examples so that you will remember these words. You will not forget it and you will not get confused. Now let me go to the next one. This is Pa. It comes in the fifth row of the consonants. Pa. Okay, Pa. pa, patang, okay, punk. So this is pa, pushp. The next one, see, same thing, it is written like pa, but a cross line is coming in between, so that means it is sh, sh, which comes in sh, sa, ha. Okay, so 5 lines over, 6th, 7th line, it will come after yar alava. This letter comes sh, sa, ha. Shatkon, shadyantra, shatkon. So this is the sh, okay, which comes mostly for the Sanskrit words. Now this is pa. If you put a cross line inside that, it is sh. Now see here, this is va. This is va, va. And if you put a cross line inside that circle, it is ba. So ya, ra, la, va. Va means one. Okay, one. Jungle, you say, no, one. So that is va. This is ba, ba. It comes in the per row, the 5th row, it comes the 3rd letter, ba, like bal. Okay, bag, garden, bal, strength. So there you use this ba, this, which doesn't have stress in the word. So that is ba. The next letter we'll go to I. I, India, we say, no. So I. Now this is coming in the vowels. Okay, in vowels you learn a, I. There I, the 3rd letter in the vowels. So this is I. But with this I, you will find the same kind, but you will have a sleeping line and standing line attached to it. Then it's a consonant J. J, that is 2nd row. Okay, 4th letter, 2nd row, 4th letter. Ch, ch, j, j. Jharna, waterfalls, Jharna. Okay, Jharkhand, a place in North India. So I, this is J, and this is somewhat kind of the twisting is there, so it could be like her. Okay, because it has got that kind of twisting, so it could look similar. This is her, which brings the air out. When you bring the air out, it is her. Okay, that kind of sound, her. Now these, so don't have any confusion between these letters. The next row is what I've given the confusion words are t, the t word, 1st letter. This is just, it has got a t here, but the next one, it has a t kind, it will come, but it will go into have a kind of a loop. A small round is there. So that if you put that round, it becomes dh. Okay, it becomes dh, dh. And if you stretch it little, you bring it, it becomes the. So you should be very careful when you write it. So this is dh, and both look similar, but there is a dot below, just like how you have here. Again here I would say it becomes like dh, dh. Okay, dh. This is dh, this is dh. You can understand the difference I gave. In before that I gave a kind of sound. So same thing what I've given there, rules are the same for this also. This will come at the starting like dholak, but this will not come at the starting. It will come only rude, rude, dh. It comes after the 1st letter, anywhere it will come, it is dh. Okay, that dh kind of thing. And this is the less sound, pressure, the the. So the 3rd letter of the 4th row. Now if this one you will stretch it little, it becomes the. So remember to write it properly, how I have written this by bringing it down, and how I have written this. In case you are writing u matra here, you should be very careful. You put for this here and for this like this. So some people I've seen writing the like this, putting it like this. Don't put like that, it looks like u for da. Okay, when you are putting a da like this, you bring like this, it almost looks as. So be careful when you are writing. You put the u like this for da, and for the, this is the line, and below that u. Okay, this is the U letter. So these things you should be very careful when you write. You should not be confused. The next one, M. It is the fifth row, last letter, nasal sound, M. Okay, M. Now when you are doing that M, if you curve like this, it becomes B. B. Okay, B. M and B. So remember, if you write like this, it is M. Always you should know. And this, it goes round, but it will not touch. This will have full line, but this will not have full line. Wherever you have like this, you will not have full line. But there are again exceptions. For example, sh. Okay, it has a full line. Earlier, the same sh, when we were young, we used to learn it without the, like this we used to learn. But later, it was updated like this. Okay, so this is correct. Now, if you see here, M and then here, B. So, M, Ma, Mata, so Man, all those words are there. B, Bha, Bha, okay, fear, Bha. So, that is Bhakti. All that will come here, Bha. Now, see here, this one, this is Ya, Ya. Okay, ya, lava in that ya. But if you curve and see this how it is coming, it comes this way, and if you see this, it goes like this. The curves are different. It has got, this has got a different curve and this has got a different curve, but they look similar. Children, just what they do is, maybe this one they'll put like this and write. So this, yes, but if you curve it, it becomes tha. The same thing. See here. Same. Ya and this is tha. So remember this curve, it becomes tha. Without the curve, it is ya, and this has got full line and this won't have. Even when you write in the letter, you should write like this. Nat. Okay. Na and Th, it should come like this. So same way, if you are writing Bha, you should write like this. Nabh. Nabh means sky. So Na Bha. See how it is coming. So that is the way you are supposed to write. So this is Ya, this is Tha. Always remember, which comes with a curve in around, it is Tha. Now if you write like this Ba, you will get confused. All these look somewhat similar, you will get confused. That's why I have given Bha here as well as here. So this you should know very clearly, one stroke like this and this. See, again I would like to say, when you are learning Tamil, I told you previously, this is only A. But if you write Tamil A like Bha, again you will have the bilingual issues. So be careful when you are writing, this is Bha, not, don't write like Tha. And these two you should know. And sometimes this Ya and Cha, people will write like this Cha. So, and they'll write Ya like this. So see the confusion between the letters. You should not be confused. Now I would like to give you the one here. This is G and J. I've seen when I used to teach, even adults, they used to make confusion in these two. When I teach G and then I go to the second row of teaching J, they get totally confused. They'll read for Gaj, Jag, for Jag, Gaj. So they get confused with these two letters. So don't get confused. This is G and this is J. This is the first row and this is the second row letter. So that confusion should not be there. And when you're learning vowels, remember, all are in this formation only. If you see, everything come like this. One, this is A, this is A, this is O, this is O. See here, and this is Ang, and this is Aha. See here, A, O, Ang, Aha. And this is U, and this is Ooh, see how many, like 3 you're putting and how many words. So this also you should be practicing a lot to not get confused, and what would come next you should be knowing. So it will become easy for you. Understood? You always ask me for a quiz, right? So I thought, let me give you a quiz on my previous live streaming video. Okay, most of you or few of you would have watched it. So those who have watched it, for you it is here, this quiz. After I did a few slides, I told how to make the class interesting. Okay, I was talking about how to make the class interesting, and in that first point I told about how we could entertain the children, and I had given one slide about it, that is teaching them through rhymes or songs. So when I did that video, I gave you an example of one particular song, how to teach. I don't want to go in detail about it. So that song which I gave as an example in that slide, can you mention what song it is and it is from which movie? Okay, it's a famous catchy song. So please do check in rhymes and songs slide. I had mentioned a song below in that slide. So check that slide and tell me what song was that which I mentioned. Please do check it and watch it. I hope you liked my video now. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. Click the bell icon so that you get my latest notification. Until then, namaste.